Hey guys, over this past weekend, I had the tremendous opportunity to host a community woodworking event along with my co-members of SoCal Woodshop. We had an awesome time, and I wanted to just share with you guys a few of the highlights of the event, tell you a little bit about it, and hopefully get you excited for the next one. So check it out. In addition to Mr. Fix-It, I am also a member of SoCal Woodshop. SoCal Woodshop is a woodworking club that's made up of 10 members who all have their at-home wood shops, and we get together once a month to talk shop, share tools and knowledge, and build some really cool projects. We've been a club for around 3 years, and over the last couple years, we've really wanted to put together a community-focused woodworking event to bring other makers and other woodworkers in the community together to just share their knowledge and just have a good time and bring their families so that it's just a really strong sense of community. So finally, we did a ton of planning and organized the event. We were able to recruit some tremendous sponsors to get involved, including our friends at Iconic CNC, and we had some incredible food and tacos on hand from Nana's Kitchen here in LA. In addition to having full-on CNC demos at the event where people could bring their logos and have their logos cut out, we also had vendors on hand from General Finishes, Catalina Paint Store, and Woodcraft of Ventura. Beyond that, we had incredible support for our raffle giveaways, including tremendous prize packs from Carhartt, Woodcraft, Festool, Rigid Power Tools, Featherboards, and a lot of local LA community support, including that from the LA Dodgers and the LA Kings. All in all, we raffled over $3,000 worth of prizes off, and it was a completely free event, so everyone who came could walk away with a prize and eat some awesome tacos along the way. This is the first community event that we've organized, so it was incredible to see the community support that we got, including some people who flew in all the way from Canada just to spend the day with us. So all in all, we couldn't be happier with the way that the event turned out. I'm not even sure how many people we had at the event overall, but it was a tremendous success, and we hope to make it bigger and better every year. And we can't thank those who showed up and our sponsors enough for allowing us to make this happen. I've been a member of SoCal Woodshop for the past couple years, and it's a place where I can do some of my finer woodworking projects that maybe don't necessarily fit within the Mr. Fix-It DIY brand. It's really awesome to be a part of this group, and I'm really excited to see what we can continue to build on for the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys will join us for our next Tacos and Tools event. We're expecting it to be sometime in early 2019, so make sure you stick around. If you guys want to check out more information about SoCal Woodshop and what we're up to, make sure you visit our Instagram at SoCal Woodshop, or you can always visit our website at SoCalWoodshop.com. And hopefully if you guys find yourself in the Southern California area, you'll join us for Tacos and Tools 2019. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.